Okay, so there's a mathematician, De Morgan, probably known for the, when you do a complex numbers. But anyway, lived his entire life in the 1800s. That means he was born somewhere between 1800 and 1899, by the way. I shouldn't say 18, it couldn't be 1899, because he did something, right? Now, certainly it's possible to be born in 1899 and die in 1899, but he certainly wouldn't have accomplished what he accomplished. So he was born in the 1800s. In the last year of his life, so he did die in the 1800s. Once I was X years old, in the year X squared, in what year was I born? Okay, so I'm going to go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to write this down, by the way. So let's go to the whiteboard. It's number 2. And again, he was born somewhere between 1800 and 1899. All right? So he has an integer year, by the way. Like, for example, like a 1-year-old, he's, depending on the date, it'd be between 1800 and 1899. But they tell me that he said once that that his age, X is his age, so he said if you squared his age, all right, let me read that again. Once I was X years old in year X squared. Well, the year has got to be between 1800 and 1899. Now, again, the endpoints are kind of ridiculous, but I'm going to say the X squared, whatever his age is, has to be between 1800 and 1899. So the bottom line here is that, I'm looking at this thing over here, and I was never really good with arithmetic, but I'm kind of looking at this and wondering, what the age is. I think he's 10 years old. That's not possible. 10 years is 100, right? That's squared, 100, it's not going to be 1800. So I'm starting to think, like around 40, right? So if I did 40, I get 1600. That's not good. If I did 50, I get 2500. That's not good. So I know it's somewhere between 40 and 50 at this point. And again, it requires maybe some playing around, but I'm going to, stab at 43. So 43 is his age. Let me do 43 squared, by the way. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16, 17. You get 9, 4, 8, 1. So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to put down, he was 43 years old. In 1849. But I want to do also 44. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16, that's 17. Well, I'm not going to do that again. 6, 13. Let's see, 7, 8, 9. No, that wouldn't be good, would it? No, that wouldn't be good. And let's do 42. Just checking. 2 times 2 is 4, 8. Let's see, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. You get 4, 8 and 8, 16. No, that's not good either. So this is the only possibility over here. Again, I got to go back and read the question, though. The question says, where is it? The mathematician De Morgan lived his entire life in the 1800s. In the last year of his life, he announced, once I was X years old in the year X squared, what year was I born? Well, he's 43 years old in 1849, so 1849 minus 43 would be 1806. So the year he was born was 1806. We are done. Thank you.